Today, we will be testing a trend detection strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend detection strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 522 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend direction strategy. The source video says this secret to always winning trades with this TradingView indicator. Obviously, grammar's a little bit weird there, but putting that aside, seems to be implying that you're always going to win using this TradingView indicator. And I can assure you, like I've said many times before, you are going to take a losing trade at some point with every strategy, every indicator. Just doesn't matter. At some point, it will take a losing trade. And so, source video is a little bit off there, but that's okay. We will go ahead and put the strategy to the test and see what we can actually get out of it. So, alright, so the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Coleman filtered ROC. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. It'll look like this right here. You don't have to change any of the settings. Everything stays on default. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the range filtered plus call sweep. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. I will make a couple of modifications to this, but it's mainly just to the visual aspects. So under the candlesticks in the inputs, uncheck the arrow selection here. Uncheck the color consolidation, both these candle color here. Then jump into the styles, uncheck this candle color or bar color, and scroll down and uncheck this bar color. Once you do that, it will uncolor all the bars at that point. Before we take a look at a few trade setups, I'd like to introduce our newest partner. This is Will from Will Trades. He is a very talented and profitable futures and prop firm trader. With over 6 years of experience every single morning, he is helping his Discord team become just as profitable as he is. Each morning for his entire Discord team, he points out the key levels where he is looking to take the trades for the day. Not only does he call out those key levels for everybody on the Discord, but he calls out exactly when he is taking those trades in real time. So everyone on Discord can take those trades in real time side by side with him as he is calling those out. And just to show you what is possible when you join his Discord, I've been going through the profits that is posted by his team every single day. You can get a risk-free 5-day free trial when you sign up using the link down below in my description. And when you use that link down below in the description, not only will you get access to Will's Discord, but you'll also get access to the Academy of Forex Discord absolutely free with all the benefits, including the free trial to our indicator that comes with joining that Discord. Alright, so what we're looking for a long trade is we are looking for the coloration of the ribbon of the range filter here at the top. And so when it is blue, we are looking for longs. When it switches to this red color, we're looking for shorts. And so you can see here that it switches from red back to that light bluish color right here. And as it makes that switch, we are then going to look down to the Coleman filter, or the ROC you can call it. And what we want is we want this line to be above the middle line. Now, it's kind of hard to tell, but you can see by this kind of shadowed background where that middle line is. And so you can see here that we are in fact above that middle line because the shadow is below the line. And that would be our signal to then enter into a long. And so we will put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below this pivot area right here. And then we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, putting it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. You can see we run into consolidation, then a really strong push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for is we're looking for the switch of that ribbon from the blue to the reddish kind of maroon color. It's hard to see, but if I zoom in real tight here, you can see right there we get that that crossover from the blue to the reddish color. And when we get that crossover, we want the ROC line to be below that 0 line. And again, if you look at the shadow here on the line, you can see here we are above, and then right here as we're closing out this candle, we switch to below that 0 line with a shadow just slightly above it. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. Put our trade here, put our stop just right above this pivot area right here, and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And again, we get this consolidation, just kind of bouncing up and down before we make this nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we had 22 winning trades and 28 losing trades. That's going to put it at a 44% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $11,200. That would have put you at a total profit and loss gain of $2,000. So not a horrible strategy. Are you going to win every single trade? No, definitely not. But it did seem to keep you in profitability. And so there's something to be said about that, at least. Now, during the same period of time, we did 26 trades with the Academy Forex Indicator. We had right at an 80% win rate and a total gain right at $12,000. And so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this video here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.